Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Grookey from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Turn the ellipse into squished sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw an ellipse at the intersection for snout. Draw mouth. Draw nostrils. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw facial features. Draw leaf-like shape for the hair. Draw a small wooden log on the head. Draw eyes. Draw a new shape for the body. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw tail. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.